Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are on the way to the chiropractor because that's what we're doing first thing. It's actually almost 4 o'clock, so I'm starting the vlog way later than I normally do right now. I actually went wake surfing earlier today in the morning, and my back has been pretty messed up for the last week or so, just from being old. I don't know, I pinched a nerve in my low back, and now it is way worse than it was before. Yeah, I thought I might be okay to wake surf, but I don't know why I thought that. I did 3 runs and then I was like, yeah, I'm done. But I did get a cool clip. I got a single, I only did one thing, literally. I could not do pretty much any tricks or anything. It was quite disappointing because it was pretty much hurting my back the whole time. But that's all I got for the complaining for today. But we went with this guy, Nate, who has his own boat. That's the person that took us today. And damn, he is really good. I'll insert a few clips, but he is professional level. So it's very inspiring going with someone that good. So anyways, we're on the way to the chiropractor. Then we're going to get the daily dash started. So be right back. Oh yeah, we're going to the joint today. So the joint, if you guys don't know, is a place where you pay about, I think you pay $70 and then you get to come 4 times in a month. I'm definitely coming twice this week. And you can go to a chiropractor anywhere. So it's a pretty cheap, effective way of going to a chiropractor pretty frequently. I've probably had a membership for 2 months a year for the past 4 years, and I've probably re-signed up here 4 times. I never really keep it consistent because I don't really think I need to get adjusted all the time, but whenever I'm something's wrong, right now, it's definitely a good time to go see a chiropractor. A lot of people think that they're bullshit artists. I have almost always had a good experience with them, so it is what it is. Joe Rogan seems to think that chiropractors are completely fake, but I don't think that's true though. I would strongly disagree because I have had pinched nerves before and chiropractor did fix it, so it is what it is. Just got adjusted. I feel a little bit better, but I didn't really expect much. I think it is a pinched nerve, but it might be some kind of muscular problem as well around my spine. But we are logged in right now in Southwest Las Vegas, and we are already in literally a prime spot to get orders because we're in a shopping mall basically. So there's all kinds of places to get orders around here. So I'll let you guys know when we get one. Oh, we already got one. $7.50 for 7 miles, and it takes me out of my dashing zone. Not gonna take that one. Straight up, this is the worst order of all time. Look at that. $6.50 for 2 pickups, for 2 drop-offs, for 5.3 miles. That means it's 2 $3 orders that they're trying to group together. Oh my god, that's so horrible. I've never seen a double order this low. Alright, just got the first order of the day. Is from Capriotti's. $8 for basically 3 miles. That's a pretty good way to start off the day if I don't say so myself. So let's drive over to Capriotti's right now. And it actually stays in a pretty good dashing area. So, also we're probably only going to do 1 delivery today, I gotta be honest, because it is my roommate and best friend's birthday today. He just turned 30. Happy birthday, Mason. So we have a party coming up pretty soon. Not gonna lie, drank a little bit too much last night. It was St. Patrick's Day. It was bound to happen, you know. I started drinking a little bit again, but probably just for the holiday, you know. Anyway, so I'll be right back. It's funny, almost every one of my best videos that I've made, I was hungover for, and it does not make any sense. And I'm definitely hungover today, just FYI. But this is why you can tell that I'm a little hungover, because I forget what I'm talking about sometimes. But I'm not gonna fall into this trap again. Probably gonna drink a little bit tonight, but then back onto being responsible. Jeez, it's so bright. I don't know why I've never seen this before, but look at how funny this is. This is my microphone right here, and that's my camera, and you can see my camera on my chest. I don't think I've ever noticed this before. That's kind of funny. But just just throwing this out there. I do not suggest to anyone to drive hungover or any of that. I am not hungover anymore, really, and I'm definitely not intoxicated. Obviously, we went on the boat earlier and stuff, but I am just a little bit tired. But I've been drinking the BCAAs. This stuff tastes so good. It's like sour gummy worm flavored. Anyways, yeah, just had to throw that out there. Don't drive hungover or drunk or anything like that. Don't do it. But yeah, check this out. I don't know if you could see that or not. I'm consistently doing that. Wingstop, an extra 2.8 miles for an extra $7.34. Definitely taking that one. So we're doing a quick double order today. This is like the worst lighting in the world. Anyways, how do you guys like my my goatee mustache that I've been trying to grow out? It's absolutely horrible. I have like the world's worst facial hair lines. Like, it's so patchy and bad and horrible. I don't know. I thought I would try to grow it out, so I've been growing it out for like 5 or 6 days, and I'm totally shaving it after this. I don't know. Go ahead, feel free to roast me in the comments. My hairline, my facial hair just does not grow in so many places, and I have so many scars on my chin from face planting at the skate park that it's just like this big bald spot on my chin. Anyways, enough making fun of myself. Be right back. That is the biggest bag I've ever received as a delivery driver. Whoa, this lighting is weird. I think it's because those windows are like a dark blue or something right in front of me. Okay, now it's changing, but anyways, all right. Now we gotta go pick up the Wingstop order, which I think it should already be ready. And then pick up. This person's name is January. I've never heard of a person named January. I'm assuming that's a girl's name though. I don't know. Would a guy's name be January? Jan? So this is the worst part about double orders, is this person's food next to me is going to get a little cold because, first of all, before you guys yell at me, this bag is way too damn big to put in my hot bag. So yeah, I know some people get mad at me for not putting food in the hot bag, but this one is way too damn big, okay? It's not gonna fit in the hot bag. And like the sandwiches are like freaking 2.5 feet long or something like that. Anyways, okay. So the biggest problem with double orders is Wingstop is like 10 minutes late on this order. So their order is taking forever. It's supposed to be ready already. It's already 5 minutes past. It was supposed to be ready at 5:23. It's 5:28, and they said another 5 to 7 minutes. So this person's food is going to get cold, and I might get a bad review or something, you know? That's what kind of sucks, you know? I wonder from DoorDash's, or from the customer's end, what it looks like. Do they know that I'm just sitting at Wingstop? Or are they sitting there thinking like, why is this guy at Wingstop? Do they know I'm on a double order? Like, this is the worst part about double orders, you know? It's not that bad, you know? I'm not really complaining because I'm making double the money that I would have to essentially drive like an extra 2 miles, so whatever. Right, just dropped off both of the orders, and now we are $15 richer. All I had to do was drive to the chiropractor, pretty much got an order. I think we went maybe like 3 miles out of the way, so that's why I enjoy casual dashing and just doing it when it's completely convenient. Okay, I didn't even get a notification, but it says that I missed a delivery. It does this all the time. But anyways, okay, so that's all I got for you guys today. Sorry today was kind of short. I'm a little hungover, and I don't really feel like talking to myself. It's funny because I literally am talking to myself. Like, I know I'm talking to you guys, and like people are listening, but I'm actually kind of like talking to myself. Like, there's no one else in here, so that's always kind of weird, you know? Anyways, all right, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for tuning in today. If you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel for more, probably, hopefully better videos than this in the future. And we'll see you in the next one. Like the video also. Bye.